Hey you guys, back with another video. I'm starting off with my collard greens. I have them soaking. And I usually put baking soda in the water and just let them soak for like 5 minutes. So that's to get all the impurities out of here that's in here. And so I let them soak, you guys, for like 5 minutes. And after that, the next step. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, I done got my greens all chopped up and everything ready to go in my slow cooker. I have my smoked turkey in here. So what I add to my green mixture is these bouillon cubes. I add 2 of them to water and I put them in there. This is just how I make mine. Then I pour the liquid in there. Yep. Okay. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I have them in a crock pot. After I add 2 cups of water and bouillon cubes. And I'm going to add my onions. Okay. And I have my crock pot on low. Okay. And I'm going to show you the seasonings that I'm going to be using. I think I showed you guys this, what I just recently bought for my chili. My onion powder and my smoked paprika. This is on sale at Kroger's for buy 2, you get 1 free. This was the most expensive one here. Then this was the least expensive.